Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. So let me just take to you my Instagram account here, and you can see here while I scroll the Instagram, it's all in white, right? White mode. So sometimes it's hurt my eyes very badly, especially in the night. So I want to just turn it the black mode, right? The dark mode. So if you're using Android mode, then you can on the notification bar you can see somewhere a dark mode option, like here I have, but some in some Android phone it doesn't have, right? And in the iPhone, right? So you have to just go to your setting, and here on the setting you can go to your search bar and type dark mode, right? And here you can see the brightness and all that. So if I just try to eye comfort, or if I want to turn to my dark mode, so here doesn't have, so you can see that auto switch and all that. I have to select this dark color here and it will switch to dark mode, right? And if you don't have a search icon, you can just go to your setting, and after that you can just go to your display and brightness, and you will automatically get it somewhere, right? And even I can just select my dark mode settings that I want only gentle, medium, enhance, and according to you, right? So it will see that automatically my Instagram also turn into a dark mode. And this is pretty easy, guys. So I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next video.